Hello friends, 2 days ago I ordered this device from Amazon and today I just received it through DHL. So let's unbox the Samsung M7 smart monitor. As you know, I have the same cutter to unbox it. So you can also see here before we unbox we can see the specification a little bit. It's a smart monitor, it's model M7, it's 32-inch and it will be compatible with Windows. You can also see here so this is the brand and it's also support HDMI and it has built-in Netflix, YouTube, so and it also can play the Apple Play, the AirPlay. So this monitor I can use as a my laptop monitor, and also without laptop monitor I can use as a smart TV. So that's why its name Samsung Smart Monitor M7. So we can use it in both way, and it's 4K ultra high definition, by the way, with a I think it's a it's a 60 hertz refresh rate, and you can see here it comes with DHL. So let's open it. So since I need to do some home office sometimes in a month, and also I need to see movies on YouTube and some play games on some websites, so that's why I need something that I can do my office works as a PC monitor, and I can in the free time I can also watch some movies on YouTube, on Netflix, and play some games on my free time, so I can use as a smart TV. So that's why I buy this monitor, and it's a very compatible price. So I bought it with a I remember 200 euro, so it's not so expensive. So inside the box we can see it's an installation guide and some user manual, warranty card, and this is the power cable. Yes, Samsung power cable, and let's see these things. So this is the base, so this is the stand base where we can put the stand to hang the monitor. So this is the stand base, and it's a metal, so it's little bit heavy. It's not plastic, it's metal. And this is let's uncover it, and this is the stand. So we need to put this stand like this, and then here in this position the monitor will be hanged, and this is also metal, it's not plastic. Let's see what are there more. Okay, so this is the European Union standard energy specifications. So it's in the energy level G, so it consume more energy, because if I can buy A, then it consume less energy friendly. So when it comes to the from greener to the red, deep red, then it will be more energy consuming product. So unfortunately we can't do anything, because this Samsung monitor only comes with the energy category G, whatever. And you can see here also the screen ratio, it's 32 inch, and 4K, you can see the pixel, so it's a 4K UHD, so 3840 pix to by 2160, and it's support HDR and 57 kilowatt hour. So we can put this sticker also in the back side of the monitor. Okay, let's unwrap the paper, and yes, so this is the main product. Yeah, you can see here the sticker. Yeah, so this is the Samsung logo, and here we can see that there are 3 high-speed USB port to connect the devices as you need, and this is the locker port to lock this monitor for saving against the theft. And also this is power cable, as you can see here, the power cable port, and this is 65-watt USB-C, and this is two HDMI port. Yeah, so we can see here there are two HDMI port, and it's Samsung. It's a detailed modeling here. Let's zoom it little bit, and it's made in Egypt. So Samsung has another production or manufacturing unit in Middle East, as you can see here, and it also comply with the UKCA standards and all other standards, so no issue there. Okay, so we can take it from here. And yeah, okay, so this is the main monitor, the front side, the display side I say, and in the lower position in the bottom it's a small Samsung brand, the logo appear here. And in the edge there are some sticker covering. So as we can see, it's a full-fledged HD monitor, and we can see here there is almost zero edge, so no bezel. So that's the great thing. I don't like bezel, so I always prefer like almost bezel-less display rather than the, the thick bezel display. I don't like it. It's old-fashioned. So I must appreciate. So in mobile phones, in laptop screen, and in monitor, TV, I always prefer the bezel-less screen. So it's bezel-less. That's great. And here we can see in the bottom of this monitor there is the connection, so you can also manually maneuvering the settings, the function of that monitor from here. And as we can see before, so with the power cable we have also the small remote controller. So since I told you that it's a TV, so it comes with the remote controller. So this is the remote. It's inside the packet. So that's the thing: remote, monitor, power cable, stand, and stand base. So that's it from today. So bye bye. See you in the next video soon. Bye.